Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Yesterday Apple released watchOS 8.3 for all supported Apple Watches. With that, Apple has also released iOS, iPadOS 15.2, Apple tvOS 15.2, HomePod OS 15.2 and macOS Monterey 12.1. For some reason, Apple skipped watchOS 8.2, so we are straight to 8.3 from 8.1. watchOS 8.3 is available for all the watchOS 8 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 7, this update is available for you now. It is recommended to be on iOS 15.2 along with this update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Then open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. This update came in around 360 megabytes in this Apple Watch Series 5. I was on watchOS 8.1 previously. Now let's go back to my Apple Watch and check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version is 8.3 and the build number is 19S55. Now let's talk about what's new in this update. This update brings support for Apple Music Voice Plan that gives you access to all the songs, playlists, and stations in Apple Music just by using your voice via Siri. You have to be on iOS 15.2 as well for that. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then your account, then Subscriptions, and within Subscriptions, select Apple Music, and you will see new plans available there. Next is support for App Privacy Report to record data and sensor access. To check that, go to Settings, then go to Privacy and scroll down to the very bottom, and here you can find the App Privacy Report. You need to turn it on for the first time, and then after using different apps for some time, you will find app by app usage data and also what sensors those apps actually triggered during usage. This same option is also available on your iPhone as well. This update also fixes an issue when notifications may interrupt mindfulness sessions unexpectedly for some users. This was reported by many Apple Watch Series 6 and Series 7 users. By the way, if you have liked the video so far, please make sure you subscribe to TGT and hit the like button as well. Well, apart from this, there are a lot of other bug fixes and security updates as well. Let's go and check the release note of watchOS 8.3. Here you can see fixes related to audio, the CF network proxies, color sync, core audio, crash reporter, image IO, kernel, and many more. And this list goes on and on. If you want to read the complete document, I will link it in the description box below. Now performance wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Series 5 Apple Watch. Even though this watch is almost 2 years old, but it still runs without any issues at all. The app performance is also fine. Let's check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery, and check the battery health, and it's 82%. But with this battery health and always on display, which I usually use, my day ends with around 35 to 38% battery left in this Apple Watch. And as mentioned in the previous videos as well, I really can't see any effect of this 18% battery depletion anyway. It's as good as it was on day 1. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 8.3. It seems to be a big update, not only regarding features, but from the security point of view as well. Do let me know your views, or if you have found anything else, do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.